Okay, she got every single night, and I don't want that.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys some lines we need to type in our code in Unity. So let's get into it now. So the first step is we're going to open Unity and then open your game up. And then once it's loaded, after the grass grows, yep, now the grass just grew, so now it's here. Once you're here, this is our game, right? You want to open up the controller script. And then wait for the grass to grow again. And then once it grows, one day, surely, thank you, alright? So now, this is where we left our code last time. We did this thingy, this video, like last time we coded our Unity game. So the first thing I want you all to do is see where this like green line starts. You want to select that and go down to where this little thing is right there and press delete. So once you've done that, you want to make a new line called, because we're gonna be making our character drive, we gotta make some, like, it's gonna update constantly. So like if we move, so say we wanted to move forward, we would move forward, and then it has to update the game to move forward. So it has to do a mini update. So it's like, oh, we have to do an update to move forward, since when you're standing still, it's not standing still anymore, it's moving forward. So that's why we got to update it. So the first line you want to put is public, and then void. Then you want to type in fixed, and then it'll come up, update. There we go. So, and then it'll auto give you some parentheses and all that, and yeah. And it's gonna auto give you some parentheses and 2 of these squiggly brackets if you press the little line. So I recommend you pressing the little line, and yeah. So now in these little squiggly parenthesis thingies, you want to type in this. So you want to type in float, and then you want to type in motor for our motor, obviously, and then equals. Make sure to put spaces in there, and then once you've done that, make sure you write max, and then with a capital M write motor, and then with the capital T write torque. Hopefully I spelled that right. Okay, there we go. Yes, I did. So make sure it's like that. So now once you've done that, it will show us an error right now. All you need to do to fix that, this isn't the end of the line, so you need to just add this, I don't know what you call this, it's like a little star. So you press space and then press shift, and it's near your 8 key, so it's above. So if you look on your 8, you have to press shift for this to work. So press shift and then go to your 8 key, and then it shows there, and then press that. And then once you've done that, put another space and do input, and then you're gonna do dot get axes, and then once you've done that, make some parentheses and it will auto do them again, and then do 2 of these like quotation marks, I'm pretty sure they're called, and then a capital V vertical. There we go. Oh yeah, and one more thing, end it with a semicolon. So yeah, that's it. And the next line, and then the next line you want to put, just make a space, is you want to write float, and then steering, and then what you're going to write after that is an equal sign again, and then max, capital S steering, it comes up steering angle. And then you want to put a space, the little thingy, and then you want to put input, dot get axis, and make sure you're writing these capital letters, otherwise it will come up at this weird error. Well, once you finish the whole line, this is the completed line. And then you want to put some parentheses, 2 quotation marks, and then write horizontal with a capital H. Horizontal. There we go. And end it off with a semicolon. Bang. And then it won't come up as a squiggly line red thingy. And then, so now the next thing you want to do is write, it's like a loop basically. So like if we're steering our car and we're trying to dodge something, for example, we have to write a line of code to dodge something in our game. And there's 10 of those things. We have to write 10 lines of just code of the same thing just to dodge those 10 things. So that's why we have a for each line where we can make it like a loop, so it's like looped and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna write a for each loop. So for each, and then this is like, it means for each something. In the something you have to, like, we're gonna do that, and we're not gonna finish all of that in today's video, but we will in like the next couple videos. And then so now once you write for each, do 2 parentheses, and then do axle, and then space axle but with a lowercase a, and then space in axles with the lowercase a, just like that. And then you want to put and you want to make a space down here, and then you want to put 2 of these thingy, no, not that, press shift and do 2 of these squiggly brackets, and then press enter. So now once you did that, it will show up as this like thingy, and then now you're gonna make 1 space more so it's in the middle, and then you want to put an if statement, which is like this. So if, and then space parentheses, and then you want to put axle dot motor, and then space equals true with a lowercase t. And then yeah, so that is really it. I'm just joking. We have to put another set of the squiggly brackets in for the next video, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh my god, do that, and then press enter once, and there we go. That is all the code we needed for today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share and save your video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Focus. And I don't want